Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Kemps. Today we're going to be doing some turkey wings for you guys. We're going to do some smothered turkey wings. Alright, sorry we've been gone. I had a funeral to go to, my cousin, like my best friend, so we went and buried him this past week. So now we're back. We're going to do a video on smothered turkey wings. So my ingredients, I got garlic powder, Tony's seasoned pepper, Chef Prudhomme's Poultry Magic, paprika. I have unsalted cream of chicken. I have unsalted chicken stock. And I have about a whole medium yellow onion chopped up I'm gonna pour over. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. I've already washed the chicken or the turkey wings, and I've already patted them dry completely. So you wanna give them a quick look at how they look after they've been cleaned and patted dry. So next we're gonna go ahead and just season them. So I'm not gonna really give you guys a measurement. I'm just gonna cover, this is garlic powder, so I'm just gonna cover the wings. So garlic powder is okay. Doesn't contain any salt, so you can kind of go crazy. So of course the Tony's has salt, so I'm not gonna go as crazy. But we're gonna mix all these up as well. This is about probably about 2.5 pounds of just the wing tips. So I think that's enough for me. The seasoned pepper. And again, we're gonna mix these up. Chef Paul's Poultry Magic has salt. Like I said, we're gonna mix those up because we gotta do the backside too. We're not gonna add any more seasoning, we'll just combine them all together. Paprika, you can go crazy with it. Really just for color, really no flavor. Unless you're using the smoked paprika. All right. So you see I didn't add any regular salt. Everything I'm using pretty much has salt as far as the seasonings. I'm gonna go ahead and, matter of fact, let me mix this together first. So mix it really good. Should get under the wing. There you go. Mix this one. I should have used 2 gloves for this.
Get one.
I have another one.
It's right there. Now you need assistance.
Alright.
You got it.
Now you can really get in
Now
this
you
thing.
can get in there.
You just want to mix everything real good. I get you?
Almost. I was like, whoa.
Sorry.
You see it right here?
Mm-hmm.
In there. In there.
Yep, just want to make sure. Share the love. Right, I'm going to quit cleaning these things around because I ain't trying to do a bunch of cleaning up. So. There you go. So there you go. That's nice and seasoned. So now we're going to go here. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw my onions in there. And I'm going to mix it up a little bit more. So I want those onions to cook in that gravy. That's what I got the onions in there for. They're going to add flavor to that gravy. Alright. So I also got some Maggie's. I'll wash the bottle as soon as I'm done. So sprinkle a little bit in there. Gonna help boost the flavor as well. And I'm gonna go ahead with my cream of chicken.
How much is that?
I'm probably just gonna use, let me see. It just depends on how much you have. Almost a whole can. Yep, a whole can.
Okay.
So a whole can of that. So I'm also going to mix this, the massage the meat with this on there as well. Alright, so let me go ahead and mix this good. So that's going to help with your gravy. And then what I'm going to do is give it one more sprinkle. So I'm going to pour my liquid in there, and then I'm going to give it one more sprinkle of seasoning. Okay? So you still got the seasoning on the bottom. Of course, when you put liquid, the seasoning kind of runs off. So I'm going to pour some seasoning on there after I pour my my chicken stock. So essentially, you want to make a gravy. That's what you're doing. Let me get these in the trash can. All right, so now I'm going in with my chicken stock. Kind of get the sides. I don't want to run it off my meat. I'm only going to go in about a half a carton. This turkey is going to have a little bit of its own gravy or liquid as well. A little bit more. That's it. So I used about, not even half. It depends on how much you have though. If you had 8 of these, you would just do a double. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead with a little of the pepper on top, just to make sure it's fully seasoned. Some more of this Poultry Magic, and we should be good to go. All right, so now we know for sure it's good and seasoned. So guys, that's pretty much it. I'm going to wrap this with some aluminum foil. And I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So I will be checking this in exactly 2 hours. I'm not going to check it at all throughout the cook. So I'm gonna go 2 hours straight, and then the last hour we'll go ahead and uncover it. So then we'll check it and start basting. All right, so let me go ahead and get this in the oven. 350. For 2 hours. Let's do an hour and a half timer right now, and then we'll add another 30 minutes. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Thank you for tuning in. All right, guys, so it's been 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. All right, so now we're gonna cook it for another 30 minutes to an hour, uncovered. I'm gonna add some butter as well. I got about 4 tablespoons of butter. Ooh-wee. See, I already got my gravy here. Let me go ahead and get a fork. See how we're doing. Oh yeah. Yep. Right where we need it to be. See that? So I'm gonna add my butter. Just put them here. And we're gonna go back in. I say the way they're looking, we're probably gonna go about 45 minutes, and then I'll check it and let you know the exact time. But that's pretty much it. You just add the butter, and then actually we're gonna scoop a little juice on the wings. Move them around a little bit, get some of this juice. Got melted butter already. so we're going back in now.
Get right there.
Right here. Right there.
There you go.
Alright guys, so we're going back in the oven. Like I said, another 45 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back in the oven 45 minutes. I'll see you guys when we get back. Alright guys, so what I did, I let it go for 2.5 hours on 350. First 2 hours covered, and then the last half hour uncovered. And that's what we got right there. So then we went,
I'm sorry.
So then we went about 5 minutes on low broil just to get the color we want. All right, so I'm gonna let my wife taste these. She said she wasn't gonna eat them, but after she smelled them, I think she's gonna eat them. So should I cut the tip, or you just gonna pick around it?
Just grab me some from off there.
All right. So we'll be right back. I'm gonna get a thumbnail and we'll be right back.
All right, y'all. Turkey. Big turkey. What's it called? No, does it have a name? It's just
Yes, smothered turkey wings.
smothered turkey wings. Okay. I'm gonna cut this. You really don't need this knife. I just don't want it to be too big going in my mouth.
Balls.
Okay.
She can get it.
Gotta get some rice on there. Here I go. Pretty good. I need some more. Let me make sure. Let me make sure I like it. This season's really, really good. Okay, I will eat it.
You can eat it.
I'll eat it. And I'll like it.
There you go.
The gravy's good too.
All right, guys, I'm gonna come around and give me a taste.
This is mine.
No, how much we sharing that?
Oh. Come on. I'll get it ready for you.
Okay.
And it just comes apart.
It's supposed to. Hot?
Not really. Not too hot to eat. Cooled off fast.
Oh yeah.
It's seasoned good, huh? I like it. Seasoned really well.
Oh yeah.
Going back in. Jeez. You know, if I ate it, it's good, because me and turkey, I can live without it, but that's pretty good. I'll eat that. Can you put that in some, what do you call those containers?
Meal prep.
Yes. Can you meal prep me a couple of those, please?
Oh yeah.
Okay. But he shook his head no and said yeah.
Yes, I can. All right, guys. So it was a quick video. 2.5 hour cook plus the 5 minutes of on low broil. Really easy. So we hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give us a like, comment, and a share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in with Cooking with the Kemps. Rest in peace, my boy School.